Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the task types in the Microsoft project. So let's start friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, Microsoft project is a very well known and a very popular software for project management, and we use this software of Microsoft for making the project plans. So today's topic is task types, that how many task types are there in the Microsoft project and how we can use it, and what is the impact of different resources and duration on the task types. Right now we have already considering the time limitation, we have already entered 3 tasks with durations and work. Like for example, task A with duration of 2 days and work 0 hours, or we can say basically 16 hours. Okay, then task B 2 days and 16 hours, task C 2 days and 16 hours. And we have already entered, if you see from here, from the resource sheet, we have already entered 3 resources: Jane, James and Tom. Okay, we have already entered 3 resources there. Now friend, first of all we have to understand that how many types of tasks are there in the Microsoft project. If you click here and double click here, so you will find here in the advanced tab, task types are there. Okay, in the advanced task types, how many task types are there? Fixed duration, fixed unit and fixed work. Now basically friend, there are 3 main types of task types in the Microsoft project: fixed duration, fixed unit and fixed work. So first of all we will check this, that what is actually fixed duration. We will click here on the fixed duration and task A. So task A is of fixed duration. Now we will assign a resource for this basically task. So we will assign James here to this task. So we have noticed that we have assigned resource James for this task A, which is of 2 days and work hours is of 16. Now we will again assign another resource for task A. Let's suppose Jane, for example. So we have assigned Jane to this task. Okay, now see what will happen. Now see what will happen, that the duration is fixed but the work hours has been increased. So that means 2 resources will work for 2 days and in total work hours is of 32. That means it becomes double. Why it happens? Basically friend, if you see from here, task duration is fixed duration. That means the duration will be fixed but the work hours will increase. Okay, so that is the concept here. So similarly you can assign here the task in the advanced tab, like fixed units, fixed work. Other types you can also assign, and effort driven is also another checkbox which you can use. So basically friend, there are 3 main task types: fixed duration, fixed units and fixed work, which you can use as per your need. And also see from here in the Gantt chart view, these tasks, like this is a task A, this is a task B, this is task C, and whatever the resources you are assigning, so their names will be displaying from here as well. Also friend, if you go in the options project, in this schedule, there are multiple options are available which describes the task type here as well. Like for example, there is an option of default task type. So these task types are already available here, which you can use it as a default as well. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.